Over the years, you've worked hard to increase the value of your investment properties. But now you're approaching retirement and ready to sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. To make the transition from landlord to investor, you need to transform your strategy. But there's a big problem. Selling your investment properties runs the risk of reducing your wealth and income and may put your future plans in jeopardy. Think about it. Would you put all of your investments in a single stock? Or liquidate your stock or bond portfolios without detailed tax planning? Of course not. Smart investing in stocks and bonds revolves around creating a portfolio that is diversified, risk-adjusted, and tax-optimized. So why wouldn't you do the same with your investment properties? Introducing Investment Property Wealth Management from Realized. Designed to give you all the tools and knowledge you need to manage your investment property wealth with the same sophistication and planning used to manage diversified portfolios of stocks and bonds. Realized helps you tax efficiently transition your equity from individual properties into diversified and passive real estate investments like apartments, office buildings, or retail stores, all tailored to your unique income needs and risk appetite. What does a tax-optimized real estate portfolio mean for you? Simple. You keep your hard-earned wealth invested and working, generating more after-tax income in your pocket while managing risk. Lose the burden of being a landlord and gain the confidence that your investment property wealth may produce the income you need while being preserved across generations. Because it's not about the money you make, it's about the money you keep. Investment Property Wealth Management from Realized, designed with your future security in mind.